Hi, Reading. Today we are going to be reading We Are All Welcome, and it's by Alexandra, Penfold, and Suzanne Kaufman. Pencils sharpened in their case, bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase, all are welcome here. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, we are all welcome here. In our classroom safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread! A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. Open doors, rush outside. We will swing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll discover or uncover. There's a big world to discover. All are welcome here. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back and start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow, ready and fresh. Our time together is the best. All are welcome here. You have a place here, and you have a space here. All are welcome. And then it shows the school. You are welcome here. I really like this story because it reminds me of Reading School, and it reminds me of how everyone is welcome at Reading School. And even though we are not at our school campus right now, we could still be together to learn with each other and connect online and celebrate that we all are bringing different experiences from our home. So today, after you read this story, I want you to be thinking about how are you still being a Reading Scholar at home, and how are you also spending time with your family and making each other feel welcome. So have a good day, and I can't wait for you to read with me.